Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can set up Adyen payments on Shopify, and it will be a quick and easy tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to go to your Shopify dashboard. Once you come over here, you just need to go to the setting. Once you click over here, then you will get this kind of an interface. So from that place, you just need to select the payments, and actually when you select the payment, then you will couple of methods like options you will get where you can associate your payment method with your Shopify store. Like let's say here you can see this is the option. So here you just need to add your payment method. Just click this one. Once you click over here, then you just need to search your payment method. So we are going to set up Adyen payment. So I will search here Adyen, and then here if it is not available, then go to the search button and then search it again. And then let's say you just need to wait a bit, and if it is not available, then you just need to find it out that your location is applicable for that Adyen payments or not. So I'm from Bangladesh right now, so I'm not able to integrate Adyen payments on here. That's the reason I'm not getting it. But if you want to use this one, you just need to go apps and select, and then go to the Shopify app store, and you can search it also if not available in payment options. So you have a couple of methods, so which one you feel comfortable or convenient, you can go with that. Just search Adyen and you will initially get that payment method in here. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Here you can see we already get this Adyen payment. You just need to click over here, and actually it is so much easy. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.